Okay, see, it is raining big time here in Brisbane. Calling for flood warnings. That's the Brisbane River. See if you can see how fast it's moving. Really fast. They've released the dams upstream. So it's just been raining and raining and raining, and here we are. Floodwaters probably tonight. Don't think it'll get us all the way up here, but it's just been crazy. See if the pool overflows. Big time stuff.